Are you trying to switch to a better paying job but keep getting rejected after interviews? Maybe you're giving technically correct answers. Maybe you're even acing the test rounds. But somehow, when it comes to actual interviews, things just don't click. And you're left wondering, what did I do wrong? And here's the real reason. You are treating the interview like quiz. One question, one answer, and done. But that's not how top candidates land great offers. The truth is, interviews isn't about getting everything right. They're about showing how you think, how you solve problems, and how would you work with other people in the team. And when you stay in the quiz mode, the interviewer has to pull everything out of you. They don't see how you think, how you collaborate, or how you add value. And that silence, it costs offers. So here's the shift. Stop thinking of interviews as tests. Start treating them like real conversations with future teammates. Ask follow up questions. Walk through real examples. Explain the benefits and also limitations of the approaches that you have implemented. Share your thought process. Because the moment you stop thinking about it as tests and start engaging, everything changes. Your confidence rises. And so do your chances of landing the job you actually want. By the way, my name is Dishit Devasya, and I have been on both sides of the interview in my last 15 years of experience. And I now help engineers who are technically solid but still stuck to finally crack the interview code. And this is just one of the three silent mistakes most people make. Now, I cannot go through all the mistakes and the fixes in this short video. So, I'm hosting a free workshop. Three interview mistakes devs and QA engineers make that sabotage interviews. In this workshop, I break down all the three mistakes and show exactly how to fix them. It will help you show up with clarity, confidence, and real connection, not just answers. So, if you are preparing for a switch or want to increase your chances of landing a job, register for this free workshop by clicking the link near this post. See you at the workshop. Bye.